family, hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar General clearance haul. I went there the day after Valentine's Day, and then I went, Valentine's Day was on Monday. I went there Tuesday, then I went again on Thursday to see what they had left. And here are some of the items that I purchased on clearance. And I hope you guys don't mind. This is a busy clearance shopping season for me, so I just want to let you guys know how much you can save on some clearance items, and especially if you are like reselling or if you're like using it for your business. So these, I overlooked these a couple of times, and then they just kept calling my name. So I got these little plushies. They were $3 each, 50% off, and so I got them for $1.50 each. And they're a little better and bigger than the ones at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I liked them, they were cute. So went on and got those. And let's see here. And then here, I'll be using these and some gifts. And these were originally, these are foot, cozy foot set by Mel Maison. Cozy socks and foot lotion. And I didn't tell you guys, like when I do gift baskets, I specialize more into spa gift baskets, more like brows and spa gifts, for women. That's my specialty. So these you get, this is a nice lavender mint foot lotion. And then he got a pair of cozy pink socks in there. And I just love the packaging. And so yeah, and these were $5 each. And yeah, so that's $2.50. So I'm a 50% off shopper. Like once a holiday hits, after that holiday, when they mark them down to 50% off, and that's when I strike. Because if it's a reasonable regular price, I don't mind paying half of that, because that's pretty much all it's really worth. After that, I very seldom can find things that I like past the 50% mark. Very seldom. So I like to get in there when things are still, still fresh. And a lot of these items, the lady told me, she says they just didn't get everything out for Valentine's Day. So they went on and got out what they could, and then they marked it down. So I like these. So these were $2.50 each, and I got all that they had. Okay, and then over here, this is a gift set of a face mask. It's called the Magic Face Mask Collection. And you get peaches and cream, blueberry and banana, honey and lavender, green tea latte, and cafe mocha. And these were $5 each and marked down to $2.50. And I'm fine with that, because that was a reasonable price to start with. So I don't have a problem with that. So these these are like things that I'm proud to present to someone. I think they're useful. People love masks these days. It's on trend. So I definitely wanted to have these. Okay, and then these beautiful candles. And these were $5 each. And these are from True Living. And they are the Wildflower Gardenia. 7 ounces. It's 1 wick. And these are beautiful. And these will just make a great addition to any tranquility basket that I do. So, so yeah, did I tell you these were $5? And so they got them for $2.50. Okay. And then I love these bath bombs. These are from Studio Selection, and you get 2. These are huge bath bombs, and the packaging is gorgeous, and they already have a beautiful satin bow on there. They're protected. It's definitely a gift set in a beautiful gift box. It's it was originally $5, and so I got these for $2.50. And I haven't even, you know, barely spent $20 on things that are you know, on trend, and they are a part of my my niche. Okay, and then I found a 10-pack bag. I love gift bags. You know, these are an alternative to gift baskets. Sometimes just having a gift bag is everything. And I've been going around to every store in my area. Everyone's leaving behind these black and white stripes gift bags. It's good for me. I love them. But a lot of people aren't feeling this pattern because they just leave these behind, and I just come back and swoop them up. And then when I embellish them and do what I'm going to do with them, people love them. So here you get 10, a pack of 10 in this pack. It has the woven handle. And you get 10, and these were $1.99. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, and then the last thing, I got a bunch. They were just putting out these, you know, these flip-flops. And I have a job coming up doing some wedding gift sets and, you know, stuff for bridesmaids. So got a bunch of these. That's all they want, some flip-flops. They got them in 9, 10, 7, 8, 6, and 7. So I got a bunch of these. You got them in white. And I got them in pink and black. They had green, and I think they had blue. But these, you know, when you have a certain niche, you know, these are the things that have proven successful over the years. So I just stick with that. So we have these. So when everyone gets their little mani-pedi gift bag or gift basket, they'll have, you know, some flip-flops in there. Okay. So I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got about 10 sets of those right now. I almost got the whole box. Was going to pick up the whole box, but I left some for others. All right, so this is just a good representation of the clearance items that I purchased from Dollar General, and you can do the same. So I barely broke $25 on things that are beautiful and everything I'm about. And this year's it's all about rest and relaxation and self-care. All right. So check your Dollar Generals, because the one that's really close by me, they had some gems in there. And like I said, I got a lot of good stuff out of there. And then I went to another one and they had nothing. You know, everyone bought them out during Valentine's Day. Okay, I got 4 of these candles here, but I put one in a gift basket already. Okay guys, just wanted to share that with you. I want to thank you so much for tuning in and supporting the channel, and want to welcome you to subscribe if you like my vibe, and come on and join us over here with the Tastemakers tribe, okay? All right, thank you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified when I upload any new content. All right, guys. Thank you, Mom. See you later. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the clearance items that I got from Big Lots. I got this bag here full of clearance items. And the first thing I'm going to show you are my jammies. I didn't get my Christmas jammies this year. I normally get a pair every year, but these are a 2-piece. Don't show my size there. Yes, I picked up weight. Okay, but ladies 2-piece pajama set, and they were $18, and they rang up at $9.99. So I'm fine with that because all the other ones I liked. All around the city were like $15 and up, and I like it. It has like a pink trim around the shirt. Look how cute that shirt is. You can see it on the picture here. And it has some elastic pants, you know, pajama pants. Exactly, because I wear black. All I wear is black. Okay, and then there's another pair here. And if I do wear a pattern, it's usually, I normally just wear, you know, animal print. So this is the pajama pants there. And this one has a Henley top, and it was $18, and the quality is awesome. I really enjoy, you know, I'm proud of the quality, so I didn't have a problem paying $9.99 after it was $18. I wouldn't have paid $18 for these though, even though they're nice. Okay, then the next thing, I didn't get even my really good fuzzy slippers this year either. So these are deer foams, and these are just really nice and thick and cushy, and these were $9.99 originally, and they rang up $5. So I don't have a problem with that. And then they had cashews marked down to $5, whole cashews, colossals. So I got about 4 bags of those. Whatever they had, I just took the rest of those because we like cashews. Okay, and then for next year Valentine's Day, I got these cups. These were like right at the display as soon as you walk into my Big Lots. And it's like, that's what I was looking for. I'm looking for clearance items to use for next year. And these are big. And the price on them was $5, and these rang up at $125. And these are way bigger than what you get at Dollar Tree for $125. So these will make great mug gifts for next year. This one is bigger than both of them. This one rang up $5. And it's bigger than all 3. So I got 3 in the heart motif, 1 in the love, and then this one has this pattern here. They were $5 originally, marked down to $125. I'm like, I'll take them all. And see, next year they'll make good mug gifts. See, you can put a candle in there, put some socks and some treats and hot chocolate for next year. Yeah. All right, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, thank you, tastemakers. Bye, Mom. Okay, so let me show you. I'm going to show you everything I got on clearance in February. And a lot of these things are going to be used. These are my personal things. These little jammies, these are personal. The socks are personal. And all of these other things are business. I got these from Dollar General. all of this, and I didn't even break 100. And these are like for the business. All right, guys, clearance